Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Grade 1? Good. That's really great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your second lesson of numeracy in week number 22. So in our last class, we have started with the revision of all the topics because we are already done with our syllabus and we revised one topic in yesterday class. Who is going to tell us what was the topic? What comes before and what comes after, right? And with that, we practiced a lot of activities. I told you that what types of question can come under this topic or under this in your exam, that sometimes you are supposed to write only one number that comes before a number or after the number. Sometimes you are supposed to write two numbers that comes before or after the number, and sometimes you are supposed to write both one number that comes before that and one that comes after that, right? So you can come up with all of these types of exercises in your exam. So you should be prepared in all of these manners, right? Now in today's class, the topic that we will be discussing, that we will be revising, is ordinal number names. So first tell me, how many of you remember what are ordinal numbers? Excellent, excellent. Everybody clap for Ahmed. Ordinal numbers are basically the numbers which tells us about the position of something, right? Ordinal numbers tells us about the position of something, and they are different from the normal number names in this manner that we pronounce them different and we write them different as well, right? So let's go and watch an interesting video related to that together, and then we will be doing some interesting activities for that as well, okay? Is my screen visible? Good.
Hey, let's have a race today.
Okay.
Yeah, we are gonna race. We are gonna race. Let's go.
So what happened here?
I think Ali came at 1.
Not one. First.
What's that?
It's first, second, third. You mean first, second, third? Yeah. Those are ordinal numbers.
You mean it goes on like that?
Yeah, it's like that. First, second, third, fourth,
Sixth.
Seventh.
Where are you guys? I came first.
Okay, so see now in this video, they have explained the ordinal numbers with the help of very good example, that is through the race. You know that in the race, when we have a race and the people who win, we don't call them as you came at number one, you came at number two. No, we call them as you came the first, you came the second, and you came the third, right? So first, second, and third, these names or numbers that we are using to tell the position of something are known as ordinal number names, right? What do ordinal number names do? They tells us about the position of something, and they are pronounced differently. Like the normal number names, they are known as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? But ordinal number names are pronounced as first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Similarly, there is a difference in writing them as well. Like we write the normal number as 1, but we write the ordinal number as first, right? Similarly, we write the normal as 2, but we write the ordinal number as second. So we write them differently, we pronounce them differently, and their function is also different, that they tells us about the position of something. Okay. So now I'm going to share the screen with you, and we will be doing an interesting activity related to this together. Look at this ordinal numbers. Right? First, second, third, fourth, and fifth under the correct picture. There are some, yes, these are small insects, and you are supposed to tell their position. Okay. So so let's see who is on the first. The honeybee is on the first, write the position first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay. On first, we have a honeybee. Then we have a butterfly. Then we have a normal fly. Then we have a ladybird. And last, we have the mosquito, right? So the ladybird is on which place? Fourth place. Very good. The butterfly is in the dash place. Second place. Excellent. The bee is in the third place. Very good. The honeybee is on first place. Excellent. And the last mosquito is on fifth place. Very good. So see, now through this, we have tell about their position, right? That on what position they are. So ordinal number names basically helps us to talk about the position of something. Okay. Now what we will be doing, we will together do an exercise in your book. So I want all of you to please open page 110. This is page 110. Please open this. There is exercise related to ordinal numbers. This says that choose the correct word for each blank. Okay. The first clown has dash on his dress. What does the first clown have? Stars. Very good. The second clown is standing on his dash. On his hands. Excellent. The third clown has dash around. Turn around. Very good. The fourth clown has dash on his dress. He has polka dots. Excellent. The fifth clown is upside down. Okay. Then the sixth clown has his hands behind his back. Wonderful. The seventh clown has the dash hat. What type of hat he has? The longest hat. Okay. Then the eighth clown has dash leg up. one leg up. Very good. The ninth clown is sitting. Very good. And the 10th clown has a dash in his hand. A flower. See, all of these clowns are very beautiful and they have practiced ordinal number name in the different manner. They have tell about their positions and you are supposed to write something else. In this manner, we have practiced ordinal number names. Okay, class? So that was all for today. What we have revised another topic. Do practice it at your home and let me know if you have any confusion. We will resolve it together. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.